Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you this Lincoln Electric 3350 welding helmet and show you a couple of the features that it has. It is really nice. What you get, you have such a, big, clear, easy to see through viewing area with very easy adjustments so that you can, you don't get in a situation where it's like it's either too dark and you can't see, or it's too bright and you're damaging your eyes. Also, if you're doing something where you're welding and then grinding something and then going back to welding, so you need to quickly switch between how much shade it is. It actually has this button right here. This is actually a button that quickly toggles between welding mode and grinding mode, giving you that more shading and less shading. So anyways, the color saturation, there's no color saturation with this lens, so it makes it really easy to see. Give you just a clear view of the arc and the puddle and everything like that when you're welding. It's everything on it is top notch, so it's real comfortable to wear. So anyways, just a great helmet. If you're looking for one of these, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get one with free shipping and all that kind of good stuff.